Hi, hello. In today's episode of ICP tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to report time and how to measure time in IC project. So basically, you want to go to a task, first of all, and go to working time, because we have two ways in which we can approach this matter. First one is, manually. You can report time manually. As you can see from this view, you have different dates and different people who reported certain amounts of time onto this task. And by this icon, and by this icon, sorry, and without this icon, you can you can tell which time has been reported using work timer and which was not. So I did it, I added this time manually, and this one has been done manually, like so. Have a look, right? So basically just click on this tab. You can choose a user, and let me stop here for a moment. A project manager can report and choose an employee, or a person dedicated to a project, and report time for that person. And one more really pro client functionality here is that you can basically choose and report time for a person who has not have the permission to log onto IC project. So it's really convenient option. So I can report time for somebody else in a project, and for a person who does not have the permission to log onto IC project. And you're going to see these the times, the reported times in the report section too. So there you go. You just choose a person, set a date, set the time that you want to report, and click OK. Give a certain type. Well, paid, free, and unpaid. It's connected to whether this cost is going to be calculated. This time is going to be calculated as a cost or not. So for your convenience and consideration, and you might want to drop a description here and just save it, and it lands and sums up, and the system sums it up for this particular task. Of course, you might want to edit and give certain changes or remove your time, because some clients did ask for this option. And this is the one way to report time manually. One other way is to go and check work times, and you might want to filter with regard to this module, this tab, with regard to user and a certain type. And here you can make corrections and insert times and check if somebody basically reported the time or not. So this is a really, really useful option for you. And now let's move on to the second option, which is time added using work timer. And this is a really neat way, and it's connected to a great functionality in IC project, connected to automations. You just basically choose a task, and here the system helps you to find the task that you've been working on lately, and you just click the play button, and it measures time. And if a person, because it basically it measures time with regard to your account, yeah, and if that person, being me, has hourly rate assigned to him or herself, the system will automatically calculate it as a cost in our financial module. And that would be it if it comes to reporting time. The next session is going to treat about reports and about timesheets. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and let me report the time here, and it has been reported. Take care.